Nvda is trading at 219 after earnings, and we talked about this exact move on our live as well as on the Discord, right? So this is our platform for anybody that's new here, OBELION.net. This is a platform for traders, made by traders like ourselves and our partners. And we built this platform for over a year now, right? To do one thing in particular, to give the retail traders their edge, right? What we built here is essentially a platform not only for your research from the chart and the indicators that we verified and we attest to, right? Unlike any other platform, like you go to TradingView and whatnot, what you're going to get usually is a bunch of noise, indicators, lagging, repainting, and so on and so forth. What we have here is something completely revolutionary, right? With focus for traders, right? And the goal is that we want you to get all of these tools, like for example, Forex related news, information about earnings, and so on and so forth, all in one place, with even sector rotational gyre, right? As well as the arena for anybody that's trying to take their trading to the next level. This is where you practice, so you don't lose money in the markets, you lose your money here, right? In your simulated environments. But that's besides the point. We called this Nvda play from a mile away, right? We talked about the relationship between the Qs, right? And how the Qs need to move up. And so we had positioned accordingly, not only towards with the Qs, but as well as with Nvda. And we played our Palantir trades almost picture perfect today, guys. And all of this information, sorry, bright screen, right? But all of this information is available on not only in our platform, but also in our Discord, right? So definitely join the Discord. I don't know what you're doing if you haven't joined our Discord. Sorry for this very long loadout, but pretty much, our Discord's here. It's actually, you can join our Discord from our OBELION terminal, but you can also join it from here pretty much. And we give out all these free signals. At least that's what I'm trying to do at this very moment. We pretty much traded Palantir perfectly from the bottom to the top, from the morning open. I basically told everybody, listen, you're going to take you're going to average down right away in the morning from literally today, right? And once you average down, essentially where to sell. And let me just show you what those trades even look like, right, on our Webull. So pretty much this was the Palantir trade, average in the morning, right? Take this trade all the way to over the pre-market high and continue to hold. When we see it on our lower time frames, we basically sold right at the top. I sold the call. So imagine this move right here. We sold it picture perfect. Once we sold the calls, we got puts, right? We didn't just stop at calls, we got puts. We traded this thing down to VWAP. Then we got calls again, all right? So just letting you guys know, all of this is calculated, right? And you could do the same. And we give you the platform, right? Our platform here, OBELION.net. Come right here, sign up right now, get your free account, and guess what? If you get your, I think it's for the first 100 users, once you get your free account, use the code ORIGIN2M, right? You could add your promotion code here in the settings. Once you add your promotion code, you're gonna get 2 months of Pro Plan for completely free. What are you waiting for? All right. With that, guys, we're going to talk more about this Nvda play, and particularly how to read options, right? Because a lot of people were scared today because they see a high level of open interest and they're thinking, oh, there's no way this is going to get filled. Of course they're going to get filled. Not because there's people that bought calls there, but there are people that sold calls there, right? And now they're going to get squeezed. Now that doesn't entail that Nvda is going to continue rallying higher. I mean, it can, but typically what should happen here is after Nvda earnings, sooner or later it's going to start tanking again. So we'll see how it goes. But Nvda earning right now, if we just for a reference so people understand what it means to be up like 4% on Nvda right now, this is that move. Do you see that candle all the way up here, right? So, and a lot of people were saying, an AI bubble, it's going to tank. It did not tank, guys. No one knows, or no one can determine where the market is going to head to just based off fundamentals. Fundamentals are maybe long term, years away. Short term is always run by algorithms. Just understand that. With that, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. And again, check out our platform, OBELION.net. Do not miss out on the promotion. Until next time, guys, see you. We're gonna definitely do a live tonight, so stay tuned for that.